So if you are looking for the remote and paid data analyst and business analyst internship, then this video is for you. So let's check them out.
So the number one is by the Numerator company. So Numerator company is basically hiring for the data analyst role, and this role is data analyst, but this is hybrid and remote. Both options are available to you. This is the link. You can find the same link in the description as well. Now the next opportunity that we have is by 6 months data analyst internship by Mahindra. Mahindra company is hiring for data analyst internship role. Those who have been passed out in 2023 or 2024 can apply for this. This is the mail ID. You have to send mail onto this with this subject. Now next one is by Yes Technology. Yes Technology is basically hiring Power BI developers. So as we know that in data analyst learning process, you have learned about the data visualization tool, which is Power BI. So if you have the qualification of bachelor's or master's, you can apply for this BI developer role. This is for experienced. If you have 1 or 2 years experience, you can still apply for this. Or if you have been working as a data analyst, then also you can apply for this. The job locations are mentioned like Pune, Indore, Hyderabad or Bangalore. This is the link. You can use this link for application. The link is already in the description as well. The next one is by Meesho. Meesho is hiring a data analyst role. Obviously, data analyst and business analyst is on hype. So they are hiring for two roles, business analyst and analyst. So if you have bachelor's or master's degree or you have done MBA, then also you can apply for this role. The salary package is pretty good, which is up to 12 LPA. If you are freshers and experienced, both are welcome. They have it in the in-office like Bangalore and is the location. Then the next one is the KPMG. KPMG is hiring for the data analytics. Bachelor's and master's degree if you have, you can apply. Up to 9 LPA they are going to pay. The location is Hyderabad and this is the link for the application. You can scan these QR codes as well to get the link or to apply for these roles. Otherwise,